Hello, Bruce. It's great to have you, and thank you very much for your talk.
Hello, thanks. You're welcome. Happy to be here.
So your talk had the title, Does Predictive Toxicology Live Up to Its Promise? Does it?
The answer is simple, not yet.
And why is that?
The reason is, in order to do the predictive toxicology properly, you need to have high-quality data. And the data that's, for example, being used by the US EPA is not of very high quality.
And do you have any suggestions for solutions? Where could we get better quality data?
The easiest way to get quality data is for experts to do the assays rather than government contractors. So the solution has actually been introduced by the European Union, who recently had a call for large grants to develop assays, high throughput assays, to assess whether chemicals are endocrine disruptors or not. And those will be conducted by academic experts, and then they will be converted into assays that can be used by the OECD to measure chemical effects.
What would you say once we get there? What are the main benefits that we would gain from a high quality predictive toxicology?
The main benefit from high quality predictive toxicology would be that you can assess the effects of many more chemicals. So right now we have a very large number of chemicals, only few of which have been tested. So it will enable us to have some idea of what might be the effects of this very large number of chemicals to which we're exposed every day.
All right. Thank you very much, Bruce, and thanks again for your talk.
Thank you.